Hello everyone, so quick video today. Do your shoes look like that? Do your Ultraboosts or NMDs look really bad like that? Well, today I'm gonna show you how to take care of that issue. Alright, so first thing you gotta do is clean your shoes. We're gonna clean these boys first. Boy, if you don't, boy, I'm a boy if you don't, okay, so we have the wipe. We're gonna clean the shoe. So yeah, there you go, it's clean, but it's still, you know, it still looks bad, you know what I'm saying? Like that's not as white. It's clean, yes, but it's not white. So that's what we're gonna show you right now. We already did this pair right here. He cleaned them and then he did the thing. They look as bad as mine, but they're nice and white now. So yeah, here's the special sauce. Ooh, look at the sauce. We got it at Home Depot. It's a Sharpie, like, oil pen. It's a white, yeah, oil-based paint marker. Cool stuff. You shake it up, and then you just draw. You start drawing. You just start drawing. Look at that. Wow, look at the effort. Look at this guy, huh? Jeez, what kind of, wow, would you look at that? Look at the wrist. You guys picking up what I'm putting down? You see what I'm saying? See how good it is? Wow, so crazy. Let's look at the product again while he draws. Oil-based Sharpie. We got it at Home Depot. We literally asked the lady, like, hey, do you have an oil-based white Sharpie? She was like, well, yeah. And then she showed us, there's a fat one, like way bigger than this, like up here. So don't get that one. That's me in the mirror, by the way. Another tip is when your friend's painting it, it's gonna be a little wet. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a little tiny bit wet. So we got this hair dryer and we're gonna, it helps him make it dry. We're gonna dry it much faster. Look at the speed of the drying. And then you give your friends a little, you know what I'm saying? Nice. Keeps it nice and cool. Yup. Okay. Yup. And that's the best tip I can give you pretty much, so. Wow. Would you look at that? Wow.
Look at that.
Oh, actually, what the heck? Are you impressed yet?
No.
You shouldn't be. That's for sure. Wow, would you look at that? It's actually quite impressive, to be honest. So there you go. That's how you make them white again. I've had these Ultraboosts for 2 years? A year and a half? I've had these for a hot minute, that's for sure. Yep, and that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Yep, I'll show you the product one more time. It's a Sharpie. But the main ingredient is oil. It's cooking oil, everybody. It's vegetable oil. Who would have thought? Crazy stuff. Crazy stuff.